Hi, Stacy. Thank you so much for joining us. And before we get started, what's a little bit about your business?
Well, my business is the potted palette. I started seriously thinking about it about 2 years ago. And then, of course,
Well,
the pandemic happened. So had to start shifting right away. And of course, as COVID evolved, how am I going to change this business model in order to fit into the new environment that we're thrust into?
how was business before you took Pandemic Shift Workshop?
Well, business before that was me beginning to provide these services online.
Hmm.
The pandemic workshop helped me to prioritize how I'm going to transition from this and integrate. The pandemic shift also helped me to make a decision to promote the event and still provide the culinary services online and cater as well.
So, and you're speaking of background, you've been doing this for 20 years at least, and you've had a nice group of people working for you, right?
Yes, I used to own Copenhagen Bakery in Northport, so I have an extensive knowledge in developing recipes as well as putting different flavors together.
Ah, that's great. Let me ask you a question. What's the one thing you got out of the workshop?
I like brainstorming, and I think that having different perspectives, because we are all shifting right now. So regardless of the business that you're in, so the pandemic, our shift group took us through a shift cycle that brought us to a place of thinking of our business outside the box.
And last question is there anything you got from the workshop that you're like, you know what, I'm going to implement, I'm going to do this now? Yeah.
One thing I did do during the 4 weeks we spent together, 4 very valuable weeks, I created my pitch video, and I narrowed it down to, I'm actually going to re-record it this week.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you.